Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 30 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with Bitcoin Cash at number 1, followed by Litecoin, IMX, Atom, STX, Filecoin, Near, Leo, and then we'll end it with Ethereum Classic at number 30. Let's get straight into it. Bitcoin Cash against BTC. Okay, so Bitcoin Cash has been on a downer. We are still under the skinny pink line, but I can recount 5 waves, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is this the end? I don't know, boys. I don't know. If you look over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we got slapped down again. So is there a possibility that Bitcoin Cash hits even lower? Of course. Any clear signs of a reversal? No. So which means that if in the first place, once you got your Bitcoin Cash, and if you had put it into Bitcoin, you would have done so much better than to keep your Bitcoin Cash as BCH and not convert it. Right, you would have done so much better. So yeah, again, no signs of a reversal yet. So be careful about rushing in for BCH. Against USD, okay, we're above the skinny pink line. Sure, we're still above it. We're still in a bullish trend, and we still expect potentially more upside for Bitcoin Cash. But the question we are asking is that how much higher? How much higher are we gonna go? We don't know. We don't know. Well, we expect it to probably take out this highs though eventually, but this is just not so. I don't really like this slow crawl up because this feels to me like a rising channel. Rising channels usually break lower, right? But we are in a bull trend though, so yeah, it could just break out, but not our kind of trade. Litecoin against BTC. Here we are for Litecoin. Litecoin is still not doing well. If you had moved all your Litecoin to Bitcoin in the very first place, you'd have done much better. It's just down, no clear signs of a reversal, so be careful about rushing into Litecoin. Against USD, I'm still buyers bearish. I still expect Litecoin to hit towards $32. I still don't see any signs of life yet. We just hit a skinny pink line. Could we hit higher? Of course. I think this whole thing could be a series of valleys. We could be hitting higher, but yeah, nope. I wouldn't touch Litecoin. Not at this point of time. IMX against BTC. Here we are for IMX. Ooh, we still have our target over here at 9,006. We're at 5,008. So still more upside. We're above the skinny pink line, and you can see the bullishness of IMX against BTC, which means that if you had put your money into IMX in the first place, you would have done much better than if you were to have it in BTC. Against USD, do we still have more upside? We're severely overbought though. Could we still go higher? Of course we could. Of course we could. Very overbought. I think a correction is not too far away. But anyway, as long as we're above the skinny pink line, we remain with our bullish bias for IMX. The only thing is, it's just not really that tradable for us. So yeah, that's IMX for you. Atom against BTC. Here we are for Atom. Atom has been on a downer, but look at the higher time frames. You will see a very nice squeeze in the making, and we're about to complete potentially a wave C, right? A down, B up, C down. We're gonna get a D, E, and pump. Atom breaks out. Potentially, of course. If we take out these lows, then that's it. That's it. So yeah, again, we have to see how it goes. Against USD, Atom is potentially forming asymmetrical. Potentially. You can also call this an inverse head and shoulders if you want to. Sure. But it feels rather weak to me though. So yeah, Atom is not a good trade. The technicals are just not that good. Stacks against BTC. Stacks has been on a reaper. And Stacks is very close to the resistance line. We're very close to it. So I highly suspect a reversal may not be too far away. We really got something like a shooting star, right? We got a shooting star here. We got another shooting star here. There's already selling pressure coming in. So again, I really suspect something like this could be happening for Stacks against BTC. So I'd be cautious about rushing into anything, right? I mean, sure, of course, you can argue that this is an ascending. Value 1, value 2, value 3, up. Head towards support. Bounce off of it, head higher, sure, of course. But yeah, be cautious about jumping in here. There are already signs of selling. Whales are already selling, so be careful, boys and girls. Be careful. Against USD, Stacks is still on a bullish run. Again, there is a shooting star here. Again, shooting star. Yeah, signs of selling. So I suspect again a reversal may not be too far away. Right. I think this is a new all-time high though. The all-time high for Stacks is at 3.2560. This one is at 3.2. Yeah, it's a new all-time high. More upside, yeah, potentially. So this whole thing could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have a target here though, 11. So right now we're at $3. We're overbought though. It would be great if you could see some sort of a retrace. We want to see the RSI starts dropping to, just you don't really have to drop this low. You can just go sideways and do nothing. This would be the best thing that could happen for IMX, right? Right. Even at this point of time, we rose higher, but the RSI was dropping. So yeah, we're overbought. We would prefer a retrace, but it's just not that high quality in terms of tradability, right? Filecoin against BTC. I like Filecoin. We've been monitoring Fcoin, and I think Fcoin is about to stage a reversal very close to it. Again, I could be wrong, but if you look at this, we're at a skinny pink line, right? We hit it once, we got slapped down. Again, we hit it once, got slapped back down. Up, we're getting slapped back down again. It's only a matter of time, in my opinion, before Fcoin reverses back up. I don't see the chart pattern yet on the BTC pair, but on the USD pair, it is pretty obvious because this is A, B, C, D, E. That's it. We're almost there. And for Filecoin, we still have our $28 target. You may argue that there are shooting stars here and there, but on the weekly, we are still looking solid. I would still expect Filecoin to continue higher. $8. $8 to 28 is another 249%. There's still a lot to go for Filecoin. We are not done yet. So yeah, more upside is to be expected for Filecoin. More upside. Near protocol. Near against BTC. Here we are for near. Okay, still above the skinny pink line. Still expecting more upside. Right, and there's still a lot more to go. I would expect us to go to potentially 2.8. Where is this? Yeah, another 300%. More than 300%. And this is against BTC, which means that if you were to go to near against USD, this would be even higher, right? More than 300%. More likely than not, this could be... Ooh. Oh, but we'll be crossing the highs though. Huh. Okay. But we have only 275% or near USD. Huh. Anyway, this is a wave 2, right? Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 is usually the longest, never the shortest. So we're expecting something long as well, right? This whole thing could turn out to be this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We could. But as it stands, we just don't see it yet. We would love it if near could come down for a little bit, right? A, B, just come down for a C. Nice little C, go for a D, E. Bam, we break higher, right? If we get that, great. We're jumping in. But until we see it, yeah, we're going to have to be very cautious for near. Leo against BTC. Here we are for Leo. Leo keeps dropping. How much lower are we going to go? Okay, pure guessing, right? I think we're going to drop to 0.618. Which is around sub 7,000. We're at 7,008. So a little bit more to go before we hit 0.618. 0.618 is the golden retracement ratio. Like for example, before we rose over here, right, this big run up, we retraced here to 0.618. Bam, we continue higher. We actually surpassed it a little bit. Again, even in the smaller time frames, right, medium time frames, you can see it, 0.618. That's it, we're out. And you can count 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, you got an A, B, C. And we're out. Wave 3, usually the longest, never the shortest. And after that, what do we get? Wave 4. See, it's as obvious as it gets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wave 1, down, 2, up, 3, down, 4, up, 5. After that, what happens? We correct. Right, how much lower are we going to go? My guess is 0.618. My guess is we're probably going to take out this low. There's some support over here, some noise over here, so we might stop at this area as well. So again, that's my guess here, and then we reverse. I mean, of course, no guarantees, right? We can always drop to 0, or we can go past lower, take out these lows as well. But I would expect a reversal to come in for Leo. not too far away, not too far away. Leo against USD, but we're still in a downtrend, so I'd be careful about rushing in. Okay, Leo USD seems to be rising, but we're marking around the skinny pink line. And it's just not as obvious, so yeah, I'm gonna have to give it a pass for now. Ethereum Classic. Okay, Ethereum Classic is gearing up for a big move. On the USD pair, you'll see it. Ethereum Classic against BTC looks really solid. Solid in the sense that we could be getting a squeeze over here, right? A, B, C, D, E, breakout. But this could only come probably 2028. Next halving, not this halving, because this is a very big, very big potential chart pattern in the making. Big squeeze coming on, potentially, right? A, B, C, D, E. This could be 2028 before it blasts off. So, yeah, it could be years away. But it's in preparation for the event. Potential, right? Things can always drop to zero. But, yeah, potentially, we could be breaking out for Ethereum Classic. Against USD, here we are for Ethereum Classic USD. Okay, Ethereum Classic USD seems to be completing a symmetrical. Ta-da! A, B, C, D, E. Breakout. I feel like a breakout is coming. I feel like it. But of course, now we're on a rally, right? A retrace would be good. A dip, a little dip, and after that, pump. Something like that. Best case scenario. But again, we'll have to wait and see how it goes. Alright, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's top 30. And if you haven't yet, check out the top 20 yesterday here. See ya. Ta-ta.